welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair review. This beautiful bob that I'm rocking, which by the way you guys, I think it's been my favorite hair that I've rocked all of 2019. This hair was sent to me by a company called AliSky Hair. I received Brazilian straight. I got 2 20 inches, 2 18s, and a 16-inch closure. Obviously I cut it into this bob. I added a bit of personality to it by adding the highlights in the front, different colors right here. Love this hair, you guys. It's so good. Literally I've had this hair since July. So July, August, September, October, November. Well, we're not quite November yet, right? October. So I've had it for 3 months, you guys. I've obviously bleached it. I've washed it a number of times and it's held up very well. It bounces back every single time. It has a lot of body. Like you can see, it's very flowy. I'm going to insert some pictures of me rocking this hair. You can see that I've definitely been wearing it. It's been my work hair. It was my hair in London if you guys saw the vlogs. I've really been rocking the heck out of this hair, like literally every single day for the past 3 months, with the exception of my most recent trip to London. I wore it in Jamaica as well. If you guys saw the vlogs in Jamaica, this was the hair that I wore. I love this hair. Definitely check them out, you guys. All the details will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.